Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your green line problem. You can see when I just open my phone and you can see this every time it is showing this green line problem. How you can fix this problem, you can see. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, how you can open it: swipe up like this, then tap one time to select it and double tap to open the app. You can see first you have to open the settings app like this, tap on one time and tap on two time, and here you have to go to TalkBack feature and you have to just simply turn it off like this. And friends, you can see there is no green line is showing when you just open your phone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.